What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And after the revelation of the Oneplus Fold smartphone in the Q1 in the February MWC 2023, now the Oneplus Fold is finally getting official as the foldable smartphone. As per the leaks, it's launching on 19th of October 2023. We are less than a month away from the official launch event of the Oneplus foldable smartphone. But if we talk about the phone, then the phone is going to be coming with a major upgrades this time around, the first foldable smartphone from the OnePlus, and it is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with the 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. But we also know about the smartphone is that the battery sizes are decent enough at 4800 mAh battery with a 67 watt of fast charging, but the price is said to be known for this smartphone, as we can expect the phone pricing to be at around of $1,800 or near to the $2,000 mark. But we should also consider that the price should not go above the Fold 5, which is the current market leader for the foldable smartphones. But when we talk about the overall phone display and its specifications, then the phone do stand out from the Samsung's flagship smartphone. Whether we compare about the processors and even when the camera system, then the Oneplus Fold will be going to be the first phone with the periscopic camera zoom in a foldable smartphone. Now this will make device a bit camera bump a bit larger, but overall you'll be getting a better camera performance and a flagship grade camera performance from the Oneplus Fold Open. Now the Oneplus Open will also be coming with the triple camera setup, and you will be getting a zero gap hinge in the smartphone, and the phone will be giving you a major 3 years of major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patch in this smartphone. And the phone will be also be considering that it will also be getting tested for 4 lakhs folds, which means it is also the double the amount which the Samsung has tried the foldable smartphone. Now the phone camera is indeed a major upgrade with a 48 megapixel of a primary sensor, a 48 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and a 64 megapixel of a telephoto camera sensor. Now the selfie camera is again an upgrade of 32 megapixels, and the inside screen on the foldable smartphone, when the phone is unfolded, you'll be getting a 20 megapixel of a selfie snapper, which is again insane. Now what do you think about the Oneplus Fold Open? If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and for more sale updates, do hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.